Welcome, folks. Welcome to Prospector R210 or 210 Part 2. We've gone over the basics in the first part, and now, once again, we're just going to go exploring. Now, I would like to correct something. In the first part, it sounded like you needed to record or write down all the commands because the game itself didn't show those commands, but actually, it does show a lot of the commands for each situation on the bottom down there. So it was a little incorrect of me to say that. But now let's get going. We're getting a spaceship. We're back in our spaceship, crew of 5. We have plenty of ammo for our guns. We haven't shot anybody yet. We have fuel, and we seem to have repaired the hull. So let's go. Let's try. We found one planetary system. So let's go that way. Let's go. Yeah. All right. All right. So the direction we were in. It's still zigzaggy. Okay, that looks bad. I don't want to get too far away. And a planet. S for scan. Arrow keys to decide who to scan first, and which scan the first thing in orbit. It says 3 planets, 2 giant planets, gas planets. So let's scan this guy first. Okay. No objects. No liquid. No atmosphere. Temperature is actually pretty hot. I guess that means the liquid's been burned out. No life, no vegetation. Rotation's pretty fast, 9.5 hours. Gravity's kind of normal. There's nothing really to collect. There's no danger either. Oh. Well, okay. The pilot screwed up a little bit, but had to correct the orbit, but at least he landed without us destroying everything. And we have a spacesuit. And there's no life out there. And it should be a pretty small planet considering the rotation. So let us start walking. Yeah, there is minerals out there, but it's locked in. Oh, that's volcanic. This planet might not be completely stable. Not completely stable. At least we've gotten now a little bit of information of the planet. And yeah, sun sets, the sun rises, the sun sets again. So let's launch. Scan. Gas planet. Do you want to refuel the gas planet? Well, our pilot is somewhat good, but I'm not sure how good he is. But we haven't received any damage yet, so let's say yes. Oh, he failed. Damaged the ship, diving in dense atmosphere, so we lost 20% of our hull integrity. But we got 21 tons of fuel, and 10 tons of that have now been placed into storage because we yeah, I guess not all of it was pure fuel, or not all of it was able to be turned into fuel. Either way, we've topped off a little bit, but not 100%. It's only 75%. But we do have about 10 tons of fuel, No, wait. Oh, that's 10 tons free cargo. We only got 21 tons of fuel. We were about 50%. Okay. I'm looking at that wrong. Excuse me, erase everything I just said. We added to our fuel, but we're not 100%, and there's no extra fuel put in our cargo. That's not 10 tons of cargo. That's 10 tons free space. I wish they'd do that differently, but that's my bad. That's not really their fault. All right, now let's scan the third orbit. Oh, no liquid on the surface. There's remains of an atmosphere. The gravity's a little heavy. It's very cold. There is a day rotation. There is vegetation. Vegetarians. No. Let's try to land. Let's see if my pilot can actually land. Yay! He rolled a success. But we still have to wear suits because, well, the atmosphere sucks. Okay, well, let's, that's not good. That's kind of blocking. Yeah. Okay, well, still. Woods. We're looking at woods here. Can I examine where I'm at? There should be a, yes. There should be a button which I can actually look at what I'm looking at. Well, Auto Explorer's on. So yeah, it says gravity is 1.3, temperature is negative 140.4 Celsius. Ouch. And I'm in woods. So obviously there is vegetation. But is there something like exam? I mean, can I look at something? Yes, X exam. Enter. Doesn't do anything. Basically, there's nothing there to see. Let's do that again. Exam. Then move it. It's like over there. Sand. Okay, well, that's not very useful. So, alright. Let's keep moving. Now, I do have a bio report. So, can I actually, like, examine the trees? Bio report is a capital R. There's nothing there. Okay, so grass isn't really cutting. I don't want to go into that, whatever that was. That was a gas of some sort. Sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset. Yeah. Being near the poles of the planet are usually somewhat safer because a lot of times they're ice, but there's no mountains. So it's kind of easier to get around the planet. It's going to be a very short episode because we're not going to really see anything, are we? Oh, thin exotic atmosphere. I don't like exotic. Usually exotic things burn through suits. I don't like that at all. Vegetation, yeah. No life form, once again. The Terry Nation, Doctor Who, Blake 7, definition of life forms. If it's not an animal, it's not a life form. But there's grass and trees everywhere. Temperatures are kind of low. Gravity is kind of heavy. Not sure, like I said, about the exotic atmosphere. The exotic atmosphere might not be bad for the suit, or might. So let's land. Oh, damage the ship. Really? Ugh, really? You gotta stop doing that. Alright, well, we'll step out, see if we start to melt, and step right back in. Copper. Huh. Hostile. It's attacking us. Okay. Okay, it's chasing us, so I'm going to definitely try to run away. And launch. I'm not getting into a hostile attack. So let's see the last gas giant? No, I don't think so. We already got damage from landing and doing that before. So, we're going to leave the area. We're going back to the station. And we're going to land. D for dock. Okay. You'll pay your crew and wages, which I did. Captain, me, gained 1 experience point. Let's go to the traders. Okay, so transfer new data, map data, I got 100C. Resources 23. See 22 credits for information on wormholes and anomalies. All that stuff we passed on the way. And we got some credits, but we do need to buy fuel and repair. Oh, that's going to cost even more. Maximum 2, yep. So, I think we now have less fuel than we started out with. Less money than we started out with. Oh, goody gumdrops. We're not going to retire. We're not going to... I think this is a good time to try again. I don't think this episode was too short. So let's go south. Let's try south, shall we? Let's go around here. Zigzag. Whoa, no, maybe not zigzaggy. There's a lot of whoa, okay. There's a homing beacon in the facility. Ooh, I'm not sure. Homing beacon in the facility. Homing beacon in this facility. Homing beacon in the facility. A primitive alien space probe, hundreds of years old, traveling through light void, is drifting in space. Dock. Okay, right. No atmosphere, half the gravity. Temperature's pretty cold. Air rush out to the ship. Well, that's because there is no ship. Yeah, we can't open our helmets here. Empty sensor case. Empty sensor case. Empty sensor case. Empty sensor case. Alright. Okay, so this is basically a damaged ship. There's one place I didn't check. Yeah, okay. So, launch. I'm not sure if that actually gives us any information on anything. But I could take that information back. Whew! I don't know what that was. It looked like a storm of some sort. Low fuel, I understand. 40. Just gonna check around here a little bit. Rogue planet. Press 1 to scan. Rogue planet 0. Liquid surface. No atmosphere. Gravity's 1. Oh, that's an average temperature. Very cold. Rotation nil. It's basically an asteroid. See if we can land this without breaking anything. No, you can't land on this without breaking anything. No, no, wait. He rolled to get into orbit. He had to do it again. But landing, he actually did without killing us all. Bravo. Bravo. And there is... Huh, I don't think we're actually going to be able to get around this because there's mountains all over the place. I'll grab that. Copper, and I'll grab... Oh, that's a little expensive. Yeah, it's a rogue planet. It's not very useful. It's basically just a giant asteroid, and I can't really get around it very much. So, all right. Well, that was somewhat interesting. Doc. Okay. Paid the crew. Let's see if I can trade that information for anything. Okay. Enter company. Offers you contract delivery 10 tons of cargo to station 2. Oh, sure. Where is station 2? Okay. Transfer new map data, 25 credits. Transfer resources, 447. You receive 22 credits for information on wormholes and anomalies, blah, blah, blah. All right. Fuel. And repair. Oh, no, he didn't do anything to the hull. Okay. Station 2. Station 2 is up there, right? That is station 2, right? Yelson. Doc? No, it's not Station 2. I need to find out where Station 2 is. I don't know where Station 2 is. Oh, good grief. Administration. Maybe if I can... Do they know where Station 2 is? Probably not. No. 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 See, this is where it becomes interesting. This is where... No. No, I don't want to hire anybody, and they're not going to give me information about where Station 2 is. Alright, well... Now I'm just drifting around. Whoa! Black hole, no planets. S to scan, land. E to... Alright, we fell into a black hole. That's not good. Let's get out of there. Okay, let's go down here. Ooh. Okay, there's no station here, unfortunately. 3 planets, gas, oh, asteroids. Okay, let's check out the asteroids. Okay, nothing remarkable. Okay. I'm going to check the asteroids first. Nothing remarkable. Nothing remarkable. All right. The big gas planet over here. I would like to refuel, but he's already damaged the ship a couple times. Let's do it anyway. Ship damage to ship. 14 tons of fuel. We're up to more than 55.5 tons now. Let's do the scanning of the other planets. Let's go from second orbit. No atmosphere, average temperature. No objects scanned of interest on the surface. Average temperature is below zero, or cold. Rotation's almost like a Earth. I could probably land if he doesn't do anything to damage it. Alright. A lot of mountains. Wishful thinking, I think, about getting into the... Yeah, see, I'm avoiding the mountains. I'm not gonna have much information, but the sun's rising and falling pretty fast. Yeah. Not a lot of information. And... Oh, corrosive atmosphere, not going down. Not touching it. But there is vegetation. Who knows how much life forms. Gravity's pretty above average. But yeah, we're not going in there. Corrosive atmosphere. I don't like that when it eats things. No atmosphere. Low temperature. No vegetation. No objects of interest detected. But I could always... Whoa, guy. That was pretty close to a mountain. Don't like that at all. Okay. Oh. No, there was objects of interest. Silver, anyway. Probably not enough to pay for all the damage and the fuel, but... Oh. Oh. Oh, boy. Okay, well, oxygen's depleting real fast, so I need to get back the way I came. Alright, let's go back to the closest and stay away from the black hole. Now I think this should end the... It says, you're not station 2. This is annoying. Alright, cheerful sign welcomes to station, independent station. Yes, yes, yes. Administration. Yes, you want to sell fuel? No, I don't want to sell fuel. I do want to sell the information we have. Fuel, yes. Damage, repair ship, yes. Explore area, yes. Where am I? Okay. That's the bar. No, I don't want to refuel. I want to. And no. I don't want to sell fuel. What I want to do is find somebody who will pay for the information. Pay for the information I got about the planets. Nope, that's not any of there. Oh, is it the one with the question marks? I forgot. Can you not? Freelance, med corporate for, okay, that might. Maybe? Hey, do you have any information on your company? Information, I have this report here. If you want to buy, no. Do you know? Never mind, I don't have any information to ask, so. Do a trade. Find nothing to trade, alright. So I can't sell any information here? That's annoying. Alright, so I have to go back to the other. No, I don't want to get in fight with anybody. So I have to get back to the other station to sell the information. Oh, what a bother. Alright. Stay away from the black hole. 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 Try to cut corners when it comes to fuel. Try to cut corners when it comes to fuel. Doc? Mal's very happy to see his girlfriend and boyfriend. 40, okay. Fuel? No. I'll buy whatever fuel I need. Information. So 93 credits for 1,250.5 kilo. Right. Transfer resource 64. So I'm losing money. Alright. Well, we gotta find station 2 so I could get the cargo there. And I think this part 2 will end here. At least the ship is in still one piece, and yeah, it's kind of like Firefly or Blake 7, whatever you want to think about it, because we're losing money slowly, and I need to sell that cargo, and I need to find station 2. I bet it's nowhere on that map that I've so far navigated. So, have a nice day, guys. Stay warm if it's still snowing in your area, and keep the masks on. Bye bye.